I'm going to show you how to insert a zoom in and zoom out feature. Zoom in and zoom out feature will be something like the one which you see when I was saying file CR in the down craft Camtasia video. It will be right up above, right up over there, and it will be in the description. It won't be in the description below. And this is a new video. It's going to be a new video for the Camtasia playlist. It's going to be the first. Okay, let's jump into the video and let's go. Okay, guys, I have started recording. Oh yeah, I have started recording, and over here, from over here, I will like. What is this? What's this? Tell you. Okay. Ah! Sorry, there was a mistake. I'm just clicking a little button. It's okay. I got my media selected and ready to go. Over here, it's I dragged and dropped it. Okay, done. Oh yeah, I just want filecr.com. Okay, and over here you can see me going to type filecr. I know I want it over here. I'll go to the animations tab, and over here you can see me going down. Side. Okay, I see. After I see the word side, I want the effect to go like right after I see the word side. And over here you can see this much feels enough. Okay. Filecr.com. And after I say filecr.com, I will be in the site filecr. After that, I can click zoom out to see to preview it. We can go like this. And over here, this is Buffer Loop. Site filecr.com. And that's how you do it, guys. It's quite easy, simple, and quick. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. If you want to actually, one more thing before I leave you, if you want to increase the zoom in and out joint to make it incredibly easy, incredibly hard, I'll just keep it as the normal zoom length. So that's my entire clip for that. If you want to edit your clip, if you want to watch more of these crazy funny videos, please hit the subscribe button if you like more. So I am anyways going to put a video link of how do you download Camtasia to revamp for free. I'm using the cracked version of Camtasia. Okay guys, now you guys know how do you do the zoom in zoom out effect, and that's what I need to show y'all. That's nothing else. Okay, before I leave y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how do y'all export the zoom in and zoom out project. Now over here you can see the export key right over here. That was okay, it looks kind of obvious. After you click export, you can click to local file area and click next. If you want, you can click a custom file path. I want it to be with an MP4 only with high resolution. And I can click next. I don't want to export this video clip. What if it just comes across on me? So that's it. Let's go and wrap this video off. So it's kind of now after you saw that project, it will be like, oh, it's so easy. Why didn't I think of it before? That's how my tutorials work. It's so simple and easy. And remember, we do gaming videos here, like. But if you guys want to see more of these sort of videos, please click that subscribe. Please click that subscribe button. It will mean the world for me. And remember, subscription will be amazing. Okay. And please, guys, I want to tell you one thing before I leave you all. Camtasia won't be easy to download. If you want to crack it, I will keep a link in the description below. This is the fourth time I'm saying it. Okay. One thing if I say, have a crazy day and bye.